Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back.
What is up, Paradise crew? Welcome back. It is Sunday, which you know what that means. It is behind the scenes of Griff and Alyssa, Trapped in Paradise. Give you guys some insights behind the business, what we're up to, some of the things that are coming this week. And I hope you like that intro. I hope if you were paying attention, if you were watching closely, you may have saw some new camera stuff. So, I mean, it's super awesome. Alyssa got a new camera.
I got a new camera. It just came in. When did it come in, honey? It was a couple days ago.
A couple days ago.
So we got the Canon G7 Mark II. Is that what it is?
G7X Mark II.
I was so close.
So
Shows you what I know. But we got it mainly because every time we try to vlog, we have this ginormous camera, and not that I'm not strong or anything, it's just really difficult to hold out, and I'm trying to help him out, and we can vlog a little bit more efficiently this way.
Heck yeah.
So we're really excited, hoping that running two cameras will work well for us. So I guess you'll find out very shortly.
Guys, we also got a GoPro. The GoPro, let me turn it on me for a second. So the GoPro is super important because we have some awesome excursions. Can I say that?
Yes, you can say that. We have some awesome excursions planned.
We have some awesome excursions planned, and we'll do an in-depth review of that GoPro. It's a Hero 5, super slow motion. I think 4K. I can't remember, but I know we bought it used with the G7X Mark II for a killer deal. I always recommend shopping on eBay because what's considered used to some people, it's actually still kind of new. So he said it was brand new. The Hero 5 was brand new and the G7X is brand new, but he just didn't get around to using it. And I think he used it once, and then that's considered used by eBay standards. So we got a brand new G7X Mark II and a brand new GoPro Hero 5 with all the accessories and all the bells and whistles. I'm talking about a handle and a charger and extra battery. And then the G7X 2 came with 2 extra batteries, so a total of 3. It came with a memory stick and an extra memory stick, right? Killer deal. So I always recommend shopping on eBay. Some people are just afraid of the internet, but get something used. You'd be surprised how well it actually works. And eBay has a 100% buyer back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for some reason, you can always send it back and you'll get your money back. eBay loves its customers. They love the customers more than they love the sellers, that's for sure. I learned that. Check out this whiteboard. So this whiteboard, sorry if it's too loud. I like to show people this. This is just what Alyssa and we set up for the week. So my name's here, Cullen, and then Alyssa. And what we do is we kind of just list out what we have to do for each other. Here's Griff and Alyssa, content ideas with a Google Doc. We have a shared doc to make sure we have great content coming up. Check this out, secret number 1. I had to erase this because the secret was it was just showing normally, but we are excited about this. You don't know what it is yet, obviously. And then there's a secret video series. So we have 2 things coming up that we haven't announced to you guys yet. We're keeping it on the wrap, So we have things to money, right? So you're like, what is that? So group cruises, we love to plan some stuff with you guys. Someone reached out to us about a seminar about social media and stuff. That's a soft idea. I left it up there so you guys can see it. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we're excited about it. And also prints. Some people started asking me to make prints of our drone shots and our photography. So here's some things before we go. They're in orange because I'm not sure we're gonna get them, but polarizers, multi-charger, mouthpiece or head mount for the GoPro, a Go pole, obviously used, and a Mavic battery because I have 3 and that gives me about 75 minutes of charge time. I forgot to touch on this. $5 tees, $5 tanks. Alyssa got me $5 tanks.
Yes, I did.
From Target. So that video is gonna release later this week, full in depth, but $5 awesome tanks from Target. How many days until our cruise?
19. We have 19 days.
19 days.
Yes, so we've already started packing. Well, when I say we, I really mean me because he doesn't pack until the day before we leave. But our packing videos should be starting to release the end of this week. I think we have a series of maybe 5 or 6 packing videos, so be on the lookout for those.
Awesome. I think that's most of it for us today for the behind the scenes. I'm gonna go sit by Alyssa. So I'm gonna close this video out, but thank you again for everyone that is watching. It's super incredible. I think we got how many new subs this week? Do you remember? I know we're like 563.
I think so.
So when we got 500 subs, like we're super happy. Now we're at 563. So
yeah. So I guess that was last week.
That was last week. So 63 new friends. I'm super pumped. Again, there is a private Facebook group for you guys. You can get to know each other, get to know us, ask questions. It comes with free downloads in there. Alyssa has a free checklist in there. She's gonna throw some other gifts in there soon. So go ahead and hop in, say hey, get to know us. We love to get to know you guys. I think that is all. Oh, shout out to all the new cruise creator friends we're making. I like that. So if you're watching, you're a cruise creator, like comment, let's connect. I don't know what we can do. We can like connect on Facebook, add each other as friends, and you know the deal. All right, cool.
Yeah, is that all we got?
I think that's all we got.
Great. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.